Hey guys, this is SOHANINJA1 here. So I play like Roblox and guys, I play hobbies. So if you wanna see me play an hobby like the full video on hobby, just comment down the video. Just comment down. So I'm thinking to play the game. Let's see Piggy. Okay. I if some of you don't like this game, well, I like it so. And if you don't want me to play this game, then but I still play it, but not on the video. So I can do anything for my. Oh god. Oh, we are playing Metro. I kind of suck at Metro. Yeah, I know this bunny is not feeling well. Okay. So now we just yeah, I don't know what to do. I'm so lost. Okay, so I have to try to find. Oh, 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 I don't know the skin. Anyway, oh no. Okay, I don't know the skin. Yeah, what should we do? I'm so low. Okay, what is the orange key? I don't know where's red key? Okay, green key she has. Oh, hammer. Okay, anyway, I just need to do something. I hear her. She's close to me. What? No, I lost. No, I had to do something. So, oh yeah, let me show you my skins. So, I have a skin called Robbie. It's so cool. Even Alphys. I can show you whenever I can by turning to Piggy. First, I'll show you Alphys if I can become Piggy. But not now, obviously. Yeah, so let me just exit this. I know it's been like just like some 3 minutes, I think. Okay. So let's see what we can do. I can show you some things like we can play Flee the Facility. Huh? I like also to play this game like a lot. Yep. So now, yeah, they do like this music, this intro type. Oh come on! Now we have to just wait. Yeah, that's how you do it. Shift and Xbox. I don't use obviously. Trading post. Level 6 required, huh? Okay. And my name is SOHANINJA1. You can friend me or something. Let's go to Crystal Cove. Can you crouch? See, this is a funny thing. I can't even fall down. No! Okay, I fell. I think I have to leave the server because, some people will be doing something and I have to wait for. It'll be a huge time of waste. Like, oh yeah, and this is another tycoon I love. Clone Tycoon. Yeah, I also like it. I think this is a space. So if you wanna ask like what channels you watch, so I watch some channels. I play Clash of Clans or I play Clash Royale or Brawl Stars. Yeah. Okay, let's start. Yeah, clone machine and a classic sword. Close. Now, let's go in first person. Let's enable fight mode. Now let's get our weapon and go to battle. Okay. So I don't know how to attack. Ah, please, please, ow, ow, oh God, I am, oh God. Some of these people are. Sohan Ninja want my own clone. Kill. Thank you. Oh, wait. Please help me. Help. How much cash do I have? 75. Nice. Okay, fine. Stop. Yes, now, okay, I think our strat is, we will now enable fight mode. They'll all follow me. They'll all be in groups, so one by one. Oh, this is a bad idea. No. I have an idea, so I'll just, I think I have an idea. I'll bring him back to this place, to the other clone. Will they attack? Oh, it's the same person? No! Okay. Okay, you can just start killing people. Or okay, I need something better sword build. So, how much cash do I have? I have 75 only. That's very bad. We'll get a clone machine too. Oh no, I don't have enough. So I have to try to battle it out. No. So if I'm not talking, probably it's because I'm not well. Okay, I need a. Wait, oh no. Oh no. Please. Come on. Come on, die. Die, fine. Okay, you. I know. Oh. Die. Die. No. Ah, what happened? Why is the baby like so strong? Come on, kill the baby at least. Yeah. Come on, kill it. Kill it. Ow! I died. Okay, anyway, so now let's just go. I don't want to fight more. Yes. Now, clone machine. What does it sound? Okay. Steel sword is 100. So now I have another clone machine. Yeah. I'm riding my character. Oh. So I don't like that team. The team is gonna kill us. Yep. I'll also try to battle if I can. Man, these ones are ow! These, wait, what? Ah, stop, please. Ah, you know what? Ow. But everyone's here. Yeah. You can't kill me. Die! Oh no! Please kill him. Thank you. You avenged me. Oh, so how much cash? Oh, 325. That's a lot. Okay. Let's buy. By the way, let's buy the steel. Oh my god, 200 for katana. Yeah. So let's get durability, all the less items. Okay, so let's try get a miner machine, I guess. Okay. Okay, so next what? Ore refinery, yeah. Classic pickaxe. Okay, let's close it. Now we all get steel swords. Give me a steel sword. Yeah, my sword. A sword over here. Oh my god, that's a rifle. So many people are there. Dead. Yeah. Ah, please. Come on. Ow, ow, ow. Oof. We have a ball. Oh, so much damage we're doing. Oh my god. No. Over here. So we get a lot of cash from them. Okay, let's try to get the katana. Katana. Yeah. So next one is. Oh, it doesn't show. Okay. So we at least we get the katana. How much damage? 4.4 to 7. We have a katana. Sometimes it glitch. Wait. Wanna see? You have katana, right? Yeah, katana people. Wait, I can kill people. People. Oh, gosh. Oh no, oh no, oh no. No, I'm okay, I'm okay. Yeah, charge. Rocks down. So where do you also want to go? Yeah, charge this way. We don't like these people. NPC close dead. Oh no, this despawn. Okay, we need to kill him. We gotta kill him. I'm actually gonna die. There's a giant. Where's my team? Yeah, kill him. Kill him. Thank you. I need to heal up. Oh, no. No, it's not worth it. Yes! We killed the giant! How can we? Oh, goodness. Easy. Okay. Ooh, another giant. I'm thinking let's just go home. Fastest way is to die. Kill me. Can. Okay. Oh. So fast. Kill. Oh, we got some coal. These are horrifying. Flying status. Durability. Oh, because there's another game. The ore refinery used to be that side. Okay. So let's go away. No, don't. Are you meant for war? Okay, something. We'll sell ores. Oh, 7 coal. Is it gonna be good? Oh, how much? 860 can get the baby clone. I'm getting the baby clone. Oh, shop. Okay. I don't need to buy anything. Like, I'm gonna buy the clone. I'm gonna even sell the, coal. So, baby clone. Giant terminal. So much damage. Oh, like, is there anything to say? Because I'm gonna end the video here. But I'll be still playing. But I'm sorry you can't see. Okay, from here you can stop. Because I'm gonna stay still playing. Because the video is gonna end any moment now. Okay. So please like the video and subscribe and comment down the video what game I should play. Okay. So bye bye.